Another list item on your maintenance equipment here is your Tieback anchor, fall arrest anchor, okay? This anchor withstands 5,000 pounds in any direction, okay, wherever you pull from. These have been load tested. They've passed the load tested, so we know what they're rated for. 5,000 pounds in any direction, okay? Just the tie-off point. Okay, you hook up your shackle, you hook up your lanyard, whatever the case may be, and that's what that is for. There's only one man per Tieback at any time. Okay, so don't go putting two guys on it, even though it's rated for 5,000 pounds. This ring here only gives you so much capability, right? So the only way you can have two guys on it is if you were to hook a yo-yo to it and have two guys on that same yo-yo. Don't do that, okay? It's rated for one guy at a time at any particular time. So that one person can have a yo-yo to their harness or have a lanyard to their harness, get to wherever it is that they need to get to, okay? So just keep that in mind. So also, it can also be used for a safety line in case of swing state use. You tie off the rope, throw it up and over the side, hook up your harness to it, and use it as a safety line as you're coming up on the swing state. Okay, you'll see these spread throughout. You have one here, you have two more up on the other side there. Okay, so that's what these are for. There's not very many of them, but there is a couple on each of the buildings. Okay, and they're meant for different scenarios. They're going to be pointed out in the opus and in the manual. You'll see them there. You'll see the instruction for them. There is no maintenance for these that you need to worry about at all. The only thing that you need to consider is eventually over time, if you see the caulking here breaking or cracking for whatever reason, that becomes a water issue at that point, right? But you don't have to worry about anything else in particular in terms of the integrity of this post here. Okay, it's been welded straight to the structure, so you don't have anything to worry about here. There's no maintenance, there's nothing I can check, there's nothing I can do. That is what it is. Okay, so you'll have it as part of your checklist, but again, there's nothing that you have to do for it. Okay, so just keep that in mind.